Kiren Rijiju ubadi Menteri ke Sorkar Penang badai pe ia ke Law and Justice henin ke ski ke khat pratrik jong uyayong araja R4R ulayo aban yu kejat Ri Bhoi District kum kawai nak Aspirational District na pedeng jong ki chispa khat artli ki district ki bela sajet apo jong keri India na ke benta ban peitpyrman ya ki kam pynroi ki bela pynroi kum kata ka Aspirational District hapo jong ke jila Meghalaya Habakren sikilat pathai kubor hadin jong ke jingelang Kiren Rijiju kum Menteri ke Sorkar Penang ulapan pau ye ke jingkmen bad ye ke jinghun panwan jurip ye ke Ri Bhoi District kabade kat kum ki kam balale daken ye ke district ban kinjo shakathong jong ke Sorkar Penang bala itho ye ke ni ke district kum ka Aspirational District Ula ongru bakitna Sorkar bapher ke Ri Bhoi District kilatreshi tom shisha ban poisha kata kathong jong ke ni ke Aspirational District ha ke batang house nem araja khat phra ke Ri Bhoi District kadon ha ke kedan ke basan puwei but namar ke jingtreshi tom ki officer manta kala poisha ke kedan ke basan na pedeng jong ki shispa khat artli ki district ki babyang tam ha ke bapentre kam kat kum kathong jong ke Sorkar Penang bala ithu ye ke ni ke district kum ka Aspirational District ha ke ni ke sgi nalor ki office Sorkar na kitnat bapher ladon kat lang Deputy Commissioner jong Ri Bhoi District, USP Ri Bhoi District, but can thup ye ki additional Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District, but kiwe pan ki hai Sorkar.
Today I am here in Ri Bhoi District in Meghalaya, and I personally took the review meeting of the Aspirational District program, all the activities being undertaken in Ri Bhoi District. First of all, I must compliment the entire officials of the district Ri Bhoi for a remarkable jump in the overall ranking of Ri Bhoi district in All India list. From 51 rank in 2018, it has come to 5th rank amongst 112 aspirational districts of the country. Although the ranking keeps changing every month, but at the present time it is rank 5, which is very encouraging. There are certain issues which we had discussed today in brief. I had pointed out, if we can take care of some of the issues, then we can go up to top also. But having said that, all the officers are working extremely hard. The Deputy Commissioner here and his entire official team of the district are doing excellent job. There is good support from the state government. The Secretary Planning also participated in the meeting, so he made certain positive and useful interventions which the state government and the district authorities of Ri Bhoi can sit together and chalk out and bridge all those gaps or certain shortcomings. Aspirational District is a very important program which is being monitored by Niti Aayog. India is destined to become one of the most important economic hub of the world. Our target is to get India into the 5 trillion economy. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has set $5 trillion economy target for next 2-3 years time. For that, there are certain districts in India which are becoming a problem in reaching the target. So we identified those 112 districts. If we take care of the issues of those 112 districts, then India's immediate goal of reaching $5 trillion economy will be arrived soon. We can succeed faster if are the micro irrigation issue where there need to be some more drastic step to increase the conservation of water resources, make drinking water access to all the schools, all the villages, all the important units of the district. So catchment area treatment and micro irrigation will require some more push. And then in education sector, the teacher pupil ratio and some of the schools which are not yet given the drinking water and electricity facilities. These issues need to be tackled at the urgent basis. So these are some of the areas remaining which are being identified, and the district administration is looking after all these issues, and they will settle these issues very soon.